Welcome to the Transform Your Wedding podcast, a how-to guide for taking your wedding to a whole new level. Here's your host, Marie Kubin from Rent My Wedding.
Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this latest episode. We'll be chatting about how to have a side hustle with wedding rentals. This one is geared towards wedding professionals, and we're going to talk about how you can make a little extra money and add some value for your clients. So let's jump right in and get going. So why would you want to start offering wedding rentals? There's a few different reasons. So the first thing is that it can be an extra source of income. So it's a great way to start expanding your business if you're a wedding planner or a venue or a DJ or even a florist. Those are all great companies where you can actually start adding wedding rentals as an extra service. And beyond that, it's also great because it provides value added to your clients. They don't have to hire a whole bunch of different vendors. They can get everything they need right through you. So that's adding such a huge value to your clients. And the third thing is that it keeps you competitive. So a lot of other professionals are already offering add-on services for wedding rentals. So you want to make sure that you are staying competitive out there and you can match that as well, because you want to be that one-stop shop and offer all the things that your competitors and other professionals are offering as well. So those are some reasons why you should think about doing this side hustle. And next, let's talk about two different ways that you can go about offering wedding rentals. So the first way that you can offer wedding rentals is to actually do the rentals yourself and offer them to clients. Now, I'm not saying you have to buy a whole bunch of inventory, because let me tell you, that's a whole different business. And I don't recommend it unless you're really ready to devote yourself to the rental business, because there's, storage and maintenance and everything in between. But there is an easy solution. You can use another rental company to fulfill your orders, but you act as the person who places the order and sets everything up and takes care of returning everything afterwards. So, of course, for doing that, you can charge a fee for your services, so that's how you make that extra money. And that's how you add the value to your clients, because you take that off their plate. It's one less thing that they have to worry about. So let me break that down a little more and walk you through how that works. So there are rental companies out there like mine, which is Rent My Wedding, and we offer do-it-yourself wedding rentals. That means we ship all the rental products right to your door or right to the venue, and you set them up, and then when you're done, you just send everything right back in the same box. So that's why it becomes really easy for you to start offering wedding rentals to your clients. So what you do is just create a price list, make a little menu of each rental that you're going to offer. So you could do things like uplighting and monogram lighting and pin spots and backdrops and photo booths. On that price list, you can start off kind of, as you're editing, put in the price that it's going to cost you to rent that item. And from there, mark it up with the amount that you would need to make to account for your time for doing the setup. And if you're not sure what to charge, a great thing is just to ask around and see what others in your area are charging. Kind of just figure out the going rate for each rental item, and then you can set up your prices accordingly. And of course, then that difference between what you charge and what you pay for the rental, that's extra profit for your business. And the great thing is that a lot of these wedding rentals are so easy to set up. I'm telling you, you could set up a monogram light in 5 minutes. All you do is plug it in and set it on a table and point it at the wall, and you'll see the monogram and lights. So if you do some research, you'd be surprised. There's a ton of wedding rentals that you can actually do that are really, really easy. And I have so many clients that have been doing this now for years. I work with planners and DJs and venues, and they've all started offering wedding rentals, but they fulfill them through us, and it just works out really nice, and it's kind of a win-win for everyone. Now, if you are not interested in being so hands-on, but you're still interested in this idea, there's another way that you can have a side hustle with wedding rentals. So you can actually do a commission referral program. So the way that works is that instead of offering the wedding rentals and setting them up yourself, you can just refer a rental company and get a commission. So a lot of companies do this. They offer their commission through third-party platforms. For us, it's on ShareASale. So all you would do is go to shareasale.com, sign up for the Rent My Wedding commission program, and then you're automatically enrolled. So you'll get a link and different materials so that you can start giving those to your clients. And as soon as they click that link, you're going to get credit for the commission. And the great thing is that it tracks that commission over a long term. So someone could click the link today, but maybe they don't order for another couple of months. Well, the system actually tracks that. So even if they only clicked your referral link today, they didn't buy anything, and then 6 months later, they go on their own and type in the website without your link, you're still going to get credit for that commission. So that's a really great way to earn some extra money while also referring some great vendors. So it helps your clients out as well because you kind of do the legwork for them. You find them some great vendors for wedding rentals, and that's less that they have to worry about getting on their own. Now, if you're looking to market and promote your referral links, there's a lot of different ways you can do this. So one way to do it is, when you've got clients in your office, you can just pull up the website right then and there, and you can have them do the rental order right in your office, and you can walk them through it. You could also just put the link on your website, or you can put it in an email blast and send it out to everyone. And that way, anyone who clicks your links is going to then earn a commission for you. So referral programs and commission programs are another great way to have a side hustle with lighting, especially if you don't really want to do any of the hands-on work that's involved. So I really encourage you guys to check it out. Like I said, I've got tons of clients all across the country that have been doing wedding rentals as an add-on service, and it's such a great way to just increase your business and help out your clients. So definitely check it out. If you want to be part of the commission program for Rent My Wedding, just find us on shareasale.com. And you can also contact me with any questions. It's marie@transformyourwedding.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning about how to have a side hustle with wedding rentals. And be sure to check out our other episodes where I explain in more detail how to set up each type of wedding rental and how it works, and a whole lot more. All right, well, that is it for today. I will catch you guys next time.
This podcast is brought to you by Rent My Wedding, your one-stop shop for event rentals. Order online and rentals are delivered right to your door. Shipping is free both ways nationwide. Rent lighting, backdrops, photo booths, and more. With the most 5-star reviews in the industry, Rent My Wedding makes rentals easy and affordable. Book your rentals today at www.rentmywedding.com.